In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add divider lines between buttons and text with Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Elementor or WordPress, you'll be able to follow along and get a clean, professional look on your page. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the sub-menu, then select the editor option. This will open the Elementor interface. Once the editor loads, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Edit Site if you see that option. That takes you into the visual editing mode where you can actually work on your page layout. Now that you're in the editor, let's add the divider. At the very top left of the Elementor panel, you'll see a small plus icon, usually used to access widgets. Click that plus icon to open the widget options. You'll see a list or grid of different elements you can add to your page. In the search bar, type divider. When the divider widget appears, click and drag it into your layout. Place it carefully in between the existing button and the text where you want the line to appear. Make sure you see the blue highlight indicating the correct position before you drop it. Once the divider is in place, you can customize it to match your design. Click directly on the divider you just added. This will open its settings on the left panel. Here, you can choose the style of the line, such as solid, dotted, or dashed. You can also adjust the width so the line is shorter or stretches farther across the section. Use the alignment controls to position it to the left, center, or right. If you want to add emphasis, you can insert text or even an icon in the middle of the divider, creating a nice visual break between sections. As you make changes, keep your eyes on the main preview area in the center of the screen. This is where you can instantly see how your adjustments affect the overall layout. Take your time to tweak the style, spacing, and alignment until everything feels balanced between the button and the text. When you're happy with how the divider looks, go up to the top right corner of the editor and save your changes. Depending on your setup, this might be labeled as Update, Publish, or Save. Once that's done, your new divider line is live on your site, giving your content a cleaner and more structured appearance.